This is the Genova Hotel. Genova Hotel we're right now into. But it's not like hotel, it's a hostel, it's a room with 4 people inside. It's not pretty much nice, not good, but I would not another way. This guy from our hostel. Yeah, it's like we're able to kind of capture, to see up close the better view, better observation. This is the beach. Nothing special is going on. But just have a look. Nice evening.
breakfast, Miami Beach. 9 a.m. 9 a.m. I'm thinking about what we're gonna do next. I've got already prepaid I prepaid for my accommodation, bed and breakfast hostel, something like that. I already been there, not bad place. After that, go to the beach. Maybe, I don't know. I've got a lot of plans. In the evening, maybe Winwood to see this graffiti, to make the content some kind of, to gather, to collect the content. This all greens out there we can see. Yeah, the weather is hot, about 28 degrees maybe. It's enough now. This is a wall green, you can see, guys. It is a kind of grocery store, wall green. You can just some kind of the medication you can buy there. It's like a very nice way if you want a cheap stay here. Get into the wall green and you're gonna get some kind of the salads, ready-made salads, sandwiches, everything, just to pay less. But you wouldn't be able to enjoy properly Miami Beach if you go every single day to Miami Beach, to Well Green. But I'm doing this shit time to time because I don't know. It's like over here it's not so expensive, but it's like I got used to it maybe with these prices. I'm gonna go in Colombia for this practice. I'm going to get maybe 4 times more meal than I've got right now for this breakfast. This is Beckley Shore Hotel, but this is, I'm not leaving the Beckley Shore. I just dropped by to have a coffee. This is Americano with milk. Next plans, gonna get to check, I already told, check into my new accommodation. I've got a lot of plans, Winwood and beach, to make some content. Bro is getting more hectic, more traffic. It's like getting late, about maybe 10 a.m. right now already. I got 1 hour left to check out from my previous hostel, Collins Avenue in Genova Hotel. It's like some kind of get it adjusted to the hostel, small room with how many? With 4 beds. It's not bad though, but it's for 1 day. But condition not the ones I wanted to repeat anytime soon. Hello everyone, this is the fancy cars. You can rent fancy cars over here, Ferrari, Corvette, Ferrari, different types of. Rent me please. This is the Parisian hotel. I've been checked in and I was living in, first my place of stay in Geneva Hotel.
This is Lincoln Road. I'm upon right now famous Ocean Drive, famous Ocean Drive is just behind the buildings. Yeah, right now I'm going to attend pretty much very interesting district under the name Little Havana. I was Little Havana, Little Haiti. Haiti is a Haitian, all descendants from Haiti living out there. I want to just maybe go check it out upon this area, upon this district, and maybe try out some Haitian cuisine. I would like to. I was planning before, it's never happened, but right now I'm going to fix this issue. See you later on, guys. Cheers.